y'all, it's Becky. I'm the sister of Kathy and the co-owner of Miss Cayce's. I want to invite you into my home to show you how I have transitioned from my Christmas to my Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's, maybe because my birthday is February 12th. And growing up, my birthday party was always a Valentine party theme. I loved going to the school, having all my little envelopes addressed and sharing those with all my friends, creating the beautiful boxes and sacks and bags. I just love this time of the year. And so I want to show you how I get started in that transition from Christmas to Valentine's. Let me tell you how I put my table together. As I was taking down Christmas, I left out all things red. My red runner, which had been on my table behind my couch, my red Fiesta dishes, the neutral plate from Cotton Colors that makes a great charger. It works for any season. You know, at Christmas, I hung this beautiful cedar, real soft garland in my chandelier. So I left it in place and then added in all of the fun hot pink, even a little bit of turquoise, which is a little bit unexpected. And then I tied on and added in all of my Valentine ornaments, even these fun little tassels that was from a birthday party. I love to mix and match. And I consider myself a little bit of a gatherer. I gather things at the Christmas store, all things red. Any of these red ornaments, the glass ones, are all from during the Christmas season. I also collect Old World, and these are the cute little conversation hearts that say, be mine, kiss me, text me, hug me. I love those. And then these cute little glitter hearts are from the dollar store. And so when you mix it all together, even with my theme of the old-timey Valentine's Day, it works because it's all things that I love. These trees were out on my Christmas table along with these beautiful glass carnival glass, how it picks up different colors. So I kept out the purple, the pinky orange, and the pink to purple because it really blends with all the colors that I'm using. I mixed in my collection of my Valentine's antique cards. And then this is a cute little plastic plate that I picked up from Walmart. Remember, I told you all I'm a gatherer. When I see something I like, I pick it up because I know it's gonna work with my decor. Welcome to my entryway. This is an area that I have chosen to always change out seasonally. I don't always decorate my chandelier and set my table for every occasion, but I always change out this entryway. When you come in my front door, this is the first thing you see. So I think it's kind of obvious that I love Valentine's Day. I've taken my Happy Everything plate, I've put on the Valentine card holder, so all I need is some people to send me some Valentines. I took a ribbon apart and pulled off the red and green that had been outside on something else, added in a little more black and white, put a faux plant in a cute little box that Rebecca painted for me several years ago, and a sweet picture of us together. So that completes my setup. And I love these little characters. They are so precious in the Queen of Hearts. And it all blends with my red, pink, black, and white. And then I have another table over here that this, if you saw my Christmas video, you saw where I put my Christmas cards into this card holder. Well, now I have my collection of all things Valentine's. This one is special to me because it's hand-drawn by my daughter, Queen of Hearts, on your birthday. And I use the faux plant again to pull it in from there. Another faux greenery plant is here. I love to mix faux and real, so when I get ready for my party, I'm gonna fill my Mackenzie Child picture with beautiful tulips and greenery and this magnolia candle. It smells wonderful. Kathy and I are all about making a great first impression. And where do you do that every day? Your front porch. I'm getting ready to go off to Atlanta Market. So as I've taken down Christmas, I've gotten out all of my fun Valentine stakes. Although my yard is not quite ready, because guess what? While I'm gone, my husband always cleans out the flower beds. So when I get back closer to my birthday and hosting a party, I'm gonna put some fresh plants in. I love the round top collection. The stakes that they have for your flower bed, for your front pots, it's perfect and a great addition. Pillows, they are the funnest thing to be able to change out. This is a pillow that was painted by Roxanne Spradling for the Round Top collection. And again, with my gathering, this was bought several years ago from Target on one of the ends of their aisles. I have my welcome sign from Glory House, which is so fun and easy to change out because the top comes off and I have something to put on for Easter. So I got my heart out, replaced the tree, I put on a new doormat, and I added the fun Glory House burlap. What I need to do is add a bow here. I need to add bows and round top hearts to my light fixtures, but it's all got to be cleaned up really well, but at least I've got a great start. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video on how to transform your house from Christmas to Valentine's Day. If you want to see more, be sure and subscribe to our Miss Cayce's Christmas YouTube channel. Comment, like it, tell all your friends about it, and be sure and follow us on Instagram at Miss Cayce's to see the completed look, and you can join me for my birthday party.